start the rational number and we need to simplify. So first 2 by 5 plus 3 by 8 minus 12 by 15 plus 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3. So here, which rational number you need to write in a group for which the example becomes simpler? And when example becomes simpler, if a denominator of some rational number are same. So here you can see these two rational number are with the same denominator and these two rational number are with the same denominator. So we will write 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. After that 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and at the last minus 12 by 15. Clear? So here denominator is same, so we will make a group of that. Denominator is same, so we will make a group of that. 2 plus 4, that is 6 by 5 plus 8 minus 2, that is 6 by 3 and minus 12 by 15 as it is. Now here you can see the denominator is 5, 3 and 15. If you take the LCM of 5, 3 and 15, that is 50. So which number we should multiply with 6 by 5? 6 by 5 needs to multiply with 3. 6 by 3 needs to multiply with 5 to get denominator 15 and 12 by 15 as it is. Now 18 by 15 plus 30 by 15 minus 12 by 15. So 18 by 15 plus 30 by 15, it is 48 by 15 minus 12 by 15. Now 48 minus 12 is 36 by. So here you can cut the common factor. 12 threes are and 5 threes are. So 3 will be cancelled out. So answer will be 12 by. Now next one, 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus 8 by 21 plus minus 5 by 20. So this example can be solved in two methods. This is example of your textbook. So here you can make a group of 3 by 7 and 8 by 21 because factor of 21 are 7 threes and group of 11 and 22. So that will be easy. So let's make a group of these two and 7 and 22. So here we can write 3 by 7 plus 8 by 21. That is in one group and minus 6 by 11 plus minus 5 by 20. Now take the LCM of 7 and 21, that is 21. So here 7 is multiplied with 3 to get 21. So 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21 plus 8 by 20. Now here to get 22 here we should multiply 11 with 2. Minus 6 by 11 is multiplied. Minus 5 by 22 as it is because denominator is already 22. Now 9 by 21 plus 8 by 21 plus minus 12 by 22 plus minus 5 by 21. Now 8 plus 9, 17 by 21 plus minus 17 by 20. Here it is 20. Now take the LCM of 21 and 22. Now with 3, now with 7 and with 11. So here LCM is 77 multiplied 6. So 462. So 21 is multiplied with 22 to get 462. So same in the numerator. And minus 17 is multiplied with 21. So it is 21 to get 462 in a denominator. Now perform the multiplication. If we multiply 17 with 22, we will get 374 divided by 462. And if we multiply minus 17 with 21, we will get 357 minus and 462. Now perform the subtraction of this. So we will get, let's multiply this 21 and 70. So it is 357, and if you perform the subtraction you will get 17, 4, 6. So this will be our answer. Now next, minus 7 by 4 plus 5 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. Okay. So here let's make a group of this 2 and 4 and 2. So LCM of 4 and 2 will be easy. So, or you can directly find the LCM of 4, 3, 6, 3 and 2. So that will be also simple example. So 2 2s are 4, 3 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 3 as it is 1. 1, 3, 3, 3, 1 and 3, 1, 1, 1. So LCM is 12. Now get the denominator of 12 in each rational number. So here 4 is multiplied with 3. So 7 is also multiplied with 3. 3 is multiplied with 4. So numerator is also multiplied with 4. 6 is multiplied with 2. So minus 5 is also multiplied with 2. 3 is multiplied with 4. So 1 is also multiplied with 4. And minus 2 is multiplied with 6. 1 is also multiplied with 6. Now minus 21 by 12 plus 20 by 12 plus minus 12 by 10 by 12 plus 4 by 12 minus 6 by 12. Now we have minus 21 plus 20 plus minus minus 10 plus 4 minus 6 whole divided by 12. Now 21 minus 20, that is minus 1, minus 1 minus 10, that is minus 11. Or you can perform negative number, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2 by 12. So it is minus 13 by 12. This is the simple simplification of integer. Minus 21 plus 20, that is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 10, that is minus 11. And this 2 gives 2, minus 2. So minus 11 and minus 2 is minus 13. So minus 13 by 12. Now let's solve some more example. Evaluate minus 12 by 5 plus minus 7 by 20 plus 3 by 14 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 2. So here you can take the LCM of 5, 20, 14, 7 and 20, or you can solve 5, 20 and 10 first and 11, 14 and 7 first. Okay, because LCM of 14 and 7 is 40 and LCM of 5, 20 and 10 will be 20. So it will be easy. So let's group minus 12 by 5 plus minus 7 by 20 plus minus 1 by 10 and make a group of 3 by 14 plus 1 by 7. Okay. Now LCM of this is 20 and LCM of this is 40. So here we need to make denominator 20. So 5 is multiplied with 4 to get 20. Minus 7 by 20 as it is because denominator is already 20. Minus 1 by 10 is multiplied with 2 in a numerator and denominator to get 20 here. 3 by 14 as it is. 1 by 7 is multiplied with 2 in a numerator and denominator. Now 12 4s are 48 minus 7 by 20 and minus 2 by 20 plus 3 by 40 plus 2 by 40. So now minus 14, minus 7 and minus 9. So it is minus 57 by 20 plus 5 by 40. Now here you need to take LCM of 20 and 40. So LCM of 20 and 40 will be 140. So here minus 57 needs to multiply with 40 7 to get 140, and 5 by 14 needs to multiply with 10 to get 1. So here 9 carry 1 minus 399 plus 50 divided by 1. Okay. Now minus 399 plus 50 will give minus 349 divided by 1. So this will be our answer. Clear? Now next, find 3 by 4 plus minus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 8 plus minus 4 by 2. Now here, which group can we make? We can make 5, 3 and 15 because LCM of 5, 3 and 15 is 15 and LCM of 4 and 8 is 4. So let's make a group of 3 by 4 and 5 by 8 and minus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 2. You can also solve this example without making group by taking LCM of all the denominators. So here LCM of this is 8 and LCM is 15. So now 3 by 4 is multiplied with 2 in a numerator and denominator, 5 by 8 as it is. Now here to get 515 here we need to multiply this one with 3, minus 2 by 3 with 5 and minus 4 by 15 as it is. So here it is 6 by 8 plus 5 by 8 minus 9 by 15 plus minus 10 by 15 plus minus 4 by 15. Now 6 plus 5 11 by 8 plus minus 9 plus minus 9 minus 10 and minus 4. Add the number, so it is minus 23 by 15. Now LCM of 8 and 15 will be 120. So here 8 is multiplied with 15, 11 is also multiplied with 15 and minus 23 is multiplied with 8. So 15 is also multiplied with 8 because to get denominator 120. Now 15 is multiplied with 11. So we get 165 by 120 plus minus 184 by 1. Now perform the subtraction of 165 minus 184. 184 minus 165 will give minus 90 divided by 1. If you perform 184 minus 164, answer is minus. So this way you can get the answer. Now next one, evaluate 6 by 7 minus 2 plus minus 7 by 9 plus minus 19 by 24. So here let's solve this two first. So 6 by 7 plus 9 by 21 and minus 2 plus minus 7 by 8. We will make a group of these two and this two. Clear? So here this number LCM is 21 and here LCM is 9. Okay? Because in the two denominator is 1. So here 6 by 7 is multiplied with 3. 19 by 21 as it is. Minus 2 by 1 is multiplied with 9 plus minus 7 by 9 as it is. Now we have this two group. So it is 18 by 21 plus 19 by 21 minus 18 by 9 plus minus 7 by 9. Okay. Now 18 minus 19, 18 plus 19, that is 37 by 21. Now here it is minus 18 minus 7. So it is, we can consider positive, we can take this negative sign inside the bracket. You can consider this one because as we learned in the integer, we can change subtraction into addition by giving the negative sign inside. Now minus 18 minus 7 will be minus 25 by 9. Now take the LCM of 21 and 9. So LCM will be 63. If you take LCM of 21 and 9. So here 21 is multiplied with 3 to get 63. So 37 is also multiplied with 3. And 25 is multiplied with 7. Now 37 multiplied 3, that is 111. 63 minus 175 by 60. Now 111 minus 165 will give minus 64 by 63. So this will be answer. In today's work, these are the 5 examples. You need to solve in homework and answers are also given, so you can check your question that it is correct or